Hey you guys, welcome back to Amari Young. You know we lit every day, lit every day. If you looked at the title, you will know what I'm doing today. Life of a slime scammer. This is a skit. I would never do this. I am a nice person. I'm nice. Hold up. I'm nice. And let's just get started with this video, right? I need some customers for my slime shop. What was that? My phone just dropped. Here's my phone. Well, she wants 3 slimes. That's a lot of slimes, girl. You need to slow your roll with them slimes. She wants 3 slimes. She's gonna take all my slimes. Well, the slimes that she wants is, she wants pencil lead slime. She wants pencil lead slime, she wants paper slime, and she wants pepper and salt slime, real slime. I'm not giving her none of that. I'm going to be able to give her the paper and the pencil lead slime. But she's not getting the other slime. She said she wanted pepper and salt slime. She's not getting my slime. I love that slime. You're not getting that. And she said she wants 1 extra. So, except,
Did they ask for mine?
No.
and my phone. And well, I gotta get slimes ready. She said she wanted pencil lead slime, but guess what? She not getting that. She not getting that. She getting this. Yeah, she getting this. Pencil lead. Pencil lead. Pencil lead. That's your pencil lead slime. Put it in the bag. I don't got no bag. I'm gonna get another napkin. Another bag. This is freaking stuff's up. Okay. Your pencil lead slime is right here. Hopefully she likes it. What did she say she wanted next? Paper slime. She wants paper slime. Paper. You're not getting my paper slime. I made it with paper, actual paper. Can you tell my mom to bring my food?
Yes, I can.
It's taking her hours.
Oh, yeah, 33. They got 33. Y'all have 33 too?
Y'all had 33 too?
Look, somebody gave me out.
Is that Michigan?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm glad you said so. I'm finna tell her.
Tell my mama she's taking hours.
I'm finna tell her.
Okay. And she has a paper slime. She wants an extra. Let me see what I have. For an extra, she gonna get a pencil. That's how she get it from me. Okay, let me wrap her bag up. Okay, Mom, can you take this to the post office? Tell them the girl name is Gina. Here you go. Hey you guys, welcome back. I ordered some slime from this girl. She looks nice on her page. Hopefully she is nice. Okay, the slimes that I bought were paper slime, and I had an extra, and then I had bought pepper and salt slime, and then I had pencil lead slime, so that should be 4 things up in there. I can't wait to open it. Whoa. And here are my slimes. I ordered it in a bag. Oh, here's my extra of pencil. And I guess this is a joke. This is a joke, right? This is a joke. For my paper slime, I have actually paper. I have paper for my paper slime. And then for my pencil lead slime, I got actually pencil leads. And she wrote me a note. This girl is mean. She wrote an upside down smiley face. Then she said, ha ha. I need to contact her. She wrote her number down on this other paper. I can reach it. Her number is... Okay, I got her number. I'm gonna call her and tell her you're mean. You guys, I think I got scammed, and hold up. Where my pepper and salt slime at? So she only gave me 3 things, and I was supposed to have 4. And matter of fact, she only gave me 1 thing, because these are not the 3 things that I ordered. She only gave me 1 thing. Ooh! This girl gonna make me break this pencil if she don't give me my slimes. I done spent $55 on these slimes. I don't even got no slimes. Do y'all see slimes right here? I got scammed. I got scammed again. I got scammed. That's scammed. Why do I keep on buying slimes from offline? I'm just gonna keep on getting scammed. No, but I'm not finna buy no more slimes from her. Wait, I know what. I go to her house and get my slimes. Yep. But if that video was good, comment down below. You did a good job. I didn't know what to do. I'm at my mama's job, so I don't got no slimes with me. Maybe when I get home I could do it. But bye. Peace out. Love y'all.